What are the similarities and differences among measurement, assessment, and evaluation?
Hello guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Jack's Insights. This channel offers educational and entertaining videos specially made for the interested and curious viewers. Please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to like the video. Leave a comment. And of course, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell for the updates. I will be uploading more educational and entertaining videos specially made for you guys. Thank you. Hello. Welcome to our Assessment of Student Learning 1 class. I am your teacher, Mr. Jacketson Goho. Please lend me your attention for this session.
This time you will learn about measurement, assessment, and evaluation in outcomes-based education. With the change of focus in instruction, from content to learning outcomes, came the need to redefine and clarify the terms used to determine the progress of students towards attainment of the desired learning outcomes. These terms are measurement, assessment, and evaluation. Now, let us define measurement. Measurement is the process of determining or describing the attributes or characteristics of physical objects generally in terms of quantity. In education or any related fields, measurement is defined as an instrument or device to measure individuals' achievement, personality, attitudes, and among others or anything that can be expressed quantitatively. Types of measurement. Objective measurements like tests, questionnaires, etc. These measurements do not depend on the person or individual taking the measurements. And the other one is subjective measurements like perception, observation, etc. These measurements often differ from one assessor to the next even if the same quantity or quality is being measured. Objective measurements are more stable than the subjective measurements in the sense that repeated measurements of the same quantity or quality of interest will produce more or less the same outcomes. Measurement and other terms are considered as tool or instrument. Like for examples, tests, questionnaires, rating scales, checklists, perception, observation, and others. Measuring indicators, variables, and factors in education especially in terms of the students. These are another important terms in measuring students' progress. Indicator is usually denoted by I, which means present, and 0 for absent. Indicators or valuators are the building blocks of educational measurement upon which all other forms of measurement are built. An educational variable, denoted by X, is a measurable characteristic of a student. Variables may be directly measurable as in X equals age or X equals height of a student. However, many times, a variable cannot be directly measured. That is why the concept of indicator was introduced. A group of indicators constitute a variable, while a group of variables form a construct or a factor. The variables which form a factor correlate highly with each other but have low correlations with variables in another group. In educational measurement, we shall be concerned with indicators, variables, and factors of interest in the field of education. Let's take for examples. We have the first set of indicators, Quiz 1 in computation, Quiz 2, and Quiz 3. Second set of indicators, first oral reading, first reading comprehension exercise. Third set of indicators, first spelling exercise, second spelling exercise, and first vocabulary exercise. Fourth set of indicators, first quiz in abstract reasoning, second set in abstract reasoning, first quiz in logic. Fifth set of indicators, first quiz in sequence and series, and second quiz in sequence and series. Now this time, we can consider that the first set of indicators can be considered as computation skills variable, the second set is reading skills variable, the third is vocabulary variable, the fourth is abstract and reasoning skills variable, and the last set is considered sequences and series variable. Furthermore, The sets 1, 4, and 5 or variables 1, 4, and 5 are considered as mathematical ability factor, while variables 2 and 3 are considered as language ability factor. Now, let us define assessment and understand how it differs from measurement. What is assessment? It is the process of gathering evidences of students' performance over a period of time to determine learning and mastery of skills. Such evidences of learning can take the forms of dialogue record, journals, written works, portfolios, tests and other learning tasks. Assessment requires review of journal entries, written work, presentation, research papers, essays, written story, test results, and others. The overall goal of assessment is to improve student learning and provide students, parents, and teachers with reliable information regarding student progress and extent of attainment of the expected learning outcomes. Assessment can be formative or summative. Formative assessment is done during the process of an activities or a program, while summative assessment is done after the process of an activities or a program and it shows how well the process being executed or done. Assessment, in which the measurement is used to assess the learning of the students. Examples of assessment: testing, reviewing journal entries, written works, presentations, research papers, essays, and others. The next term to be defined and explained is evaluation. Evaluation is a process designed to provide information that will help us to make a judgment about a particular situation. The end result of evaluation is to adopt, reject or revise what has been evaluated. According to Good, evaluation refers to the consideration of evidence in the light of value standard and in terms of the particular situations and the goals which the group or individuals are striving to attain. And in evaluation, statistical treatment is involved to determine the exact meaning of a value, whether it is within the standard or substandard. Therefore, evaluation involves data collection and analysis and quantitative and qualitative methods. The objects of evaluation include instructional programs, school projects, teachers, students, and educational goals. There are two types of evaluation, formative and summative. Formative evaluation. It is a method of judging the worth of a program while the program activities are in progress. The results of formative evaluation give opportunities to the proponents, learners, and teachers how well the objectives of the program are being attained. Its main objective is to determine deficiencies so that the appropriate interventions can be done. Summative evaluation. It is a method of judging the worth of a program at the end of the program activities. The focus is on the result. Evaluation, in which the result of assessment is used to judge the effectivity of the process or program of teaching learning being done in the light of some established standards. For instance, teachers and/or supervisors evaluate students' achievements simply because of their concern whether or not they are able to reach the purpose or goal of their teaching efforts. To summarize, we use measurement in doing assessment and we use the result of assessment in doing evaluation. That's all for this session, class. I hope you get something about the things being discussed. If there's some points which are not clear, feel free to view the video again. Thank you.